Hello and welcome to another Doomsdoodle thing. And this time I am thinking about the color blue. The color blue is officially a color. It's also a feeling. It's an emotion. It's a genre of music, movies, maybe, and it's a lot of things. And speaking of a lot of things, I am going to be playing Ordain today, which is just one game on the PC Engine, which is basically. Do I say basically a lot? If I say basically, or it's basically because I'm like a basic person in essence. Anyways, I'm playing Ordain for the PC Engine. PC Engine being one of my favorite consoles. I mean, I don't even feel bad about it. Um, First, okay, so okay, this is a shooter. Nice. I I enjoy shooters on the PC Engine because of oh, okay. How would I have known? But yeah, I do enjoy shooters on the PC Engine because of the kind of graphics. I think the PC Engine has graphics, or I don't know, maybe art style. I don't know what it is, but the PC Engine does have something that is very appealing to me in terms of okay. So what have I pressed something? Okay, thank you. Is it okay? Wait. Let me check. So we've got the stock bomber, the white blaster, and the speed up, and you've got the running shot. Now this is creepily similar to Fantasy Zone. I don't know if this has any relation to Fantasy Zone, the Fantasy Zone. Okay, Fantasy Zone. But if you've played Fantasy Zone, thank you. Yeah, because you get two things, speed up and the white buster. That's yes. So, but that's not even. But it says 5,300. How do I not have enough money for? Have I bought it? Okay, one can never know. Okay, I don't know. Please come again. Oh, I will. This game does remind me a lot of Fantasy Zone. Oh, of course, Fantasy Zone, Fantasy. Like, okay, Fantasy Zone actually had another important mechanic to it. Mechanic. Game mechanic to it, wherein it was also it was two directional. You could even move behind, but here this is unidirectional. Directional is basically a direction dialect. I'll explain that in some upcoming later episode. But write this word down. This is also a new word. So Fantasy Zone. Why am I speaking about Fantasy Zone while playing Ordain? I don't understand. What kind of name is Ordain? Like, what does Ordain mean? Does anybody know what Ordain means? And I have never come across the word, and I make new words. So I don't know. Maybe it's the name of the guy. Maybe it's the name of. Oh, I like this. Okay, so we have transcended from day into night, and the score says 8,300. So I'm just going to show it with my mouse pointer. So it shows 8,300, and this is the score. So this has to be the money that you have. Now you've got the speed up thing. You've got three-way shot. Okay, you could have come up with a better name, but shooting through. There you go. It's all right. I want the three-way shot. It's a sentence I would never, I never thought I would say, but I want the three-way shot, and that's why I am going to. It is 6,000 crystals. I guess I've. Yes. Oh, that's not enough money. How is it not enough money? Why do I not have crystals? Am I what am I doing? Okay, oh, crystals. Okay, so this is where the crystals are. This is where the crystals are. I don't know what this is. This is the high score, or maybe this is the okay. So this is the high score, which is 80,000. This is my score, which is 8,300. This is two player score. Store is what you call a place where you sell things. Okay, so this is the one player score, this is the high score, and this is the two player score. It's zero because I don't have friends. Okay, not enough money. Let's get into the exit area and just be sad. But it's okay. I mean, I don't know if I would. Okay, I'll just get rid of the mouse pointer. There you go. Okay, so this is the boss of this level. Also kind of reminds me of the tree trunk boss in okay, this is a little bit difficult. Okay, that was close. That was close. So it does remind me a little bit of the tree trunk boss in the first boss of the first level of Fantasy Zone. Maybe I'm comparing it to Fantasy Zone a lot because of the RPG weapon buying kind of weapon buying system, which is kind of similar to Fantasy Zone. Also, it is a cute 'em up. So basically, I don't know if this can be categorized as a cute 'em up because the thing that I'm fighting right now is pretty, not cute 'em up in in its graphical representation. So it's like a standard alien ship kind of a thing. Whereas my guy is in a pink spaceship, which is round clear bonus 3000 zero. Okay, fine. Round clear bonus crystal zero. All right then, fine. How much do I get? So I've got 8,000 crystals. So if I find a shop, oh, this is the second level. Now the second level kind of reminds me of Gradius, of course. If you've played Gradius, then is it Gradius though? Am I do I really remember the name properly? I guess it was. Huh? What happened? You can okay. What happened? What happened? What? Okay. Am I trying? I can I go? No, 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 no. I wanted to see what. Okay, fine. I hate when this happens. Okay, I hate when okay. See, if you have text in your game, make sure that the stupidest person can read it, right? So like it's not that you have to have the text for as long as you can read it, being the developer. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like. Oh, this is something new. Okay, so now this this is something that I appreciate in the game design. You have I don't know what these are. You have stationary donuts. You have dynamic donuts and other golden donuts that. Okay. This is okay. Tricky. Okay. Okay is okay, but in a cuter way because we're playing a cute map, so it's okay. So okay, this is the first life that I've lost. That's great. That usually doesn't happen. I immediately start losing lives after. Okay, can I? Okay, no, I can't. That's the second life that I lost. Okay, so I guess I just got cocky there, but yeah. As far as the game goes, I have no complaints. I mean, that is why I like the TurboGrafx 16 because every game that I start playing, yeah, I believe okay, that is what the hell is that? Okay, game over. Fine, fine. I'll you know. Oh, continue. Okay, round two. Wonderful. Okay, I can play this level again. There's no problem in this. So yeah, what I was saving was the world. What I was saying was that every game that I play on the TurboGrafx 16 is it usually ends up impressing me, and I know that many people. Okay, so this time I can challenge you 1,000 crystals, whatever. Yes, I'm gonna try it. What? Goodbye. Why? It's what happened. Okay, I think it's like these the challenges and all that you have. So I guess it's that. But yeah, every game that I play on the TurboGrafx 16. Okay, not okay. I forgot Ghost Manor. If you have the TurboGrafx 16 or an emulator or digitally, whatever, and if you come across Ghost Manor, I would suggest that you need to sanitize your entire house, and if you can take multiple baths if you have touched the cartridge or touched the ROM, or if your mouse pointer has touched the ROM, I advise you that you have to take at least three baths, because that game is shit. That game is literal shit. But I'm not here to talk about Ghostman. I'm here to talk about Ordine. uh, I keep saying Ordine, but I have forgotten if it's actually called Ordine, because Okay, okay. No, 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 no. This is going to this. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I made it. Great. Now this is where the giant jaw thingy comes. So I want to be safe here because I want the giant jaw thingy to, you know, get me. There you go. I have 16,000 crystals, which is a good amount of crystals for a boy like me. For a boy like me, a boy like me with 16,000 crystals and a dream. Okay, so finally I can have my three-way shot. Yes, yes, uh, yes, yes. Please come again. Okay, so now I have 10,000 left. Oh, I can only buy one thing. Okay, I thought I could, like, just. Oh, wait. What's happening? Oh, you get money back as well. That's wonderful. Okay, I'll just. There you go. It's. I mean, this. You have to have a skill level to play this game, which is good because most shooters. Okay, I have a complaint with shoot 'em ups. Most shoot 'em ups are where you are just rapidly firing at objects, and you just make sure that you save yourself. Then there are the bullet hell ones. The bullet hell ones are the ones where it's all about about your flying skill. No. These things are horrible. Okay, so okay, but you know it's games like, oh, I can shoot his bullets. That means that it's going to be bullet heli. Okay, it's going to be bullet heli. Fine. Okay, it's not. I can't recognize this pattern um, properly, so I am going to. But the main boss is a flaming turtle, and I am glad that that's the choice that they went with. Did you notice that this game has, like, it has the bosses and the enemies are not exactly you know cute 'em up worthy. That's game over. Yeah, not exactly cute 'em up worthy, but you want me to try one more time? You think I should try one more time? Because I think I should try one more time, right? Get me get a chance to know the game a little bit. So about the level design now, I okay, again, with shoot 'em ups, level design is not really a thing um, uh, for most games. Of course, you can get creative with the level design in shoot 'em ups as well, and you should get creative with the level design with shoot 'em ups. I don't know what this is. I'll just say yes to everything. Like, you know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, oh, okay, fine. So yeah, level design is not a thing in most shoot 'em ups, and it's understandable, for bullet hell games and all of that. Not a big fan of bullet hell games, especially not a big fan of any games that exist on the mobile platform. Now, I do enjoy the mobile phone as a console, and I do think that there's a lot of good games there. But when I'm playing these games, I realize how much the gaming industry has uh, okay has corrupted itself, and it's become this microtransaction based money grabbing scams. All those games, they just feel like scams to me. Now this is like a wholesome game where you're playing a game, and you are in the game and you're playing the game, and it's you're there. So you don't have to spend money, or you don't have to think that, okay, I can't win this game because this might be a pay to win game, and this might be based on microtransactions and all. This is just pure skill. Of course, speaking of skill, I lack it, which is why this specific level is not conquerable to me right now. Okay, so the jaw thing comes here. Now what I have learned is always miserably fail. No, what I've learned is always make sure that, okay, okay, that didn't work out. I did have more money this time though. I had 16,500 crystals. The last time I had only 16,000 crystals. Okay, that I've been dying a lot. I don't know if I can survive the main boss, but it's worth a shot going there. I really like this specific thing that they have here. It just puts so much in the gameplay. Anyways, it's a nice. I don't have any gripe with this game. Is it gripe though? Like, is the word gripe is the right word, right? I hope so, because there you go. So my ship. What is my ship? Yes, my ship is an upgrade to the ship. Then there's Vulcan. There's a running shot, and there's a wide buster. So do you want the wide buster? Do I want the wide buster? I would want the wide buster because I am going to face the boss right after this. So, and I don't think I have any more lives left. So if I'm playing on the no, if I'm no, I want the wide buster. Okay, yeah. So if I am ah, okay, this is oh shit. Okay. Well, that's game over for me, but then again, this is the first time that I've played a game that I've liked on this show, which is amazing. So, if you guys have your PC engines primed up, like I do, no, I play on my RetroArch, but I definitely have bought this game. I can send you the receipt if you send me 3 emails with your bank details. But no, if you seriously want to play this game, I would ask you to, and I would say that there's nothing wrong with it, and give it a shot. It's a great game to play on, maybe like a gaming. You have those gaming retreat days and all. Of course, as usual, I don't know. Oh, the two-player one is green. I didn't know that. I'm glad that I waited. Anyways, like usual, as usual, I have no idea how to end this, but I hope you like this or die in one of the good ones. One of the good ones. What do you know? I hope I get a good game in the next one as well. So stay watching, keep tuned, stay tuned, keep watching. That's okay then. Bye bye.